Hello everyone and welcome back. In the previous video, we saw how to configure Oracle AI Database Private Agent Factory from OCI Marketplace. We also talked about the two pre-built agents, knowledge agents that are used on unstructured data and the data analysis agent that is used on structured data. In this particular video, we are going to focus upon how to create custom agent using the agent query. Before we start building the agent, let us understand the use case. We have got a table called as employee_vacation that stores the employee details such as the employee ID, the employee name and the vacation days. Now, assume that somebody wants to identify the number of vacation days that Michael has. What he will have to do? He will have to come to SQL and then update this particular query. Once he runs it, he will come to know that Michael has got 21 vacation days. While this task is straightforward for a developer, it can be a significant barrier for HR professionals without a coding background. In this demo, we are bridging that gap. We will build an agent that allows an HR user to complete the task using nothing but natural everyday English. The first thing that we are going to do is download the wallet of the database that has this particular table. So I am going to the database agent factory DB. I am clicking on database connection and here I get the option to download the wallet. Once done, I will come to private agent factory and create a data source. Here you see data source under settings. I will click on it. Then I am going to click on add data source. I am going to select it as database. I am going to give the source name employee DB, a short description of it, database housing employee data. I am using an autonomous database, so I am going to select wallet over here. I am going to click on drag and drop and select the wallet. Then I am going to give the username. In my case, it is admin. The password for the user. And then I will click on test connection. So this particular connection has been successful. I am just going to click on add database source. Now that our data source is ready, let's jump into the agent builder. First, I will drop an SQL query in order to pull our data from the employee_vacation table. I am going to select employee DB as the database name. I am going to select include column and then I am going to use the query select star from admin.employee_vacation and paste it over here. Next, we need a chat input component to capture the user's question. So I am going to add one over here. To bring it all together, I am going to add a prompt component. Then I am going to paste my predefined prompt text over here, which consists of two variables, query and data. I am going to click on finish editing. Once done, I am going to click on save prompt. As you can see, it automatically creates two nodes, query and data. I am going to map the output node of the SQL query to the data and the message node from the chat input to the query section. Now we add the agent component and map our prompt to it. Then we are going to select the LLM. In our case, I am going to use the custom model that we created using OCI Generative AI. In the previous video, link is given in the description below. It is basically using Grok XAI at the backend. Now, the only thing that is remaining is getting the output from the agent. For that, I am going to click on chat output and connect the message from the agent to it. And that's it. Now let's save this agent with a proper name. Let's say HR employee vacation query agent. I click on save changes and now we can go into the playground and try out some query. For example, if I give how many vacations does Michael have? After some time, it has given me Michael has 21 vacation days. If I go back to the SQL, it confirms that the output is correct. In a similar way, if I want to find out which employees have more than 10 vacation days, I can type which employees have more than 10 vacation days. In the output, it is not only giving me the name of the employees but also giving me the number of vacation days each of the employees have. Not only does it give answer to such simple query, let us try to figure out how many total vacation liabilities are there for the department. Here it is saying the total vacation liability for the department based on the sum of all employee vacation days is 147 days. And there you have it. We have successfully built an agent that empowers an HR professional to get instant answers using plain, simple English, completely bypassing the need for complex coding. Today we mastered the single agent setup for database query, but this is just the beginning. In the next video, we are going to level up and explore multi-agent communication, where different agents collaborate to solve even more complex tasks. If you found this particular walkthrough helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and share it with your colleagues. To make sure you don't miss the next deep dive, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.